Hi guys, so it's Paul here. Today I am on the school's lakeside and today is gonna be a very exciting day because I have just received a mystery box all the way from Xinjiang. This one. So honestly I don't know what is inside, but I've heard that Xinjiang has some of the most unique and amazing snacks and crafts. So what are we all waiting for? Let's unbox this together and see what surprises are waiting inside. So we have all of these amazing products all the way from Xinjiang, and we're gonna try them one by one and rate them from 1 to 10 according to my liking. So let's start with this one, the biggest out of all. I really like the packaging on this one. I think it shows the traditional clothes there in Xinjiang, and I think it's very beautiful. Oh, wow, it's actually a lot inside. I'm actually gonna pour this out to let you guys see. The milk bar has a really unique taste and authentic milk flavor. And wow, actually, this one is made out of camel milk. This is my first time tasting camel milk. I've never even seen a camel before. So this is what camel milk tastes like. Actually delicious. These ones, a cute little mini eggs one. I'm gonna take one. Oh. Wow. That's really good. So these are some kind of milk chocolate and they have nuts inside. So the next one is called Nai Sao. So I think this one is milk and jujube, if you're familiar with that fruit. So it's this one. Oh, it actually has a jujube fruit inside. And it's covered in this milky, kind of chocolatey layer outside. Wow. It has this unique taste of jujube, the fruit inside of it, and it's a perfect blend of this milky layer outside of it. I think this one is really good. Wow. These two right here, they look alike, but they have two different colors. So this one is called Suan Nai Geda, and the other is just Xinjiang Nai Geda. So I think this one is yogurt. I think this one is yogurt flavor, and this one is just the milk flavor. Oh, it smells really, really milky actually. You can see it is just a big block of this creamy, milky ball. Oh, now that is yogurt. This one is a lot more harder in terms of texture, but I like the taste. So next one is this one. So it's actually very cute. It has a heart design, and I can see some nuts and dried fruits. Wow. That is wonderful. The last one for this group is called Xinjiang Qiaogong Nai Pi. So let's try this one open. It has this unique pattern in it. Let's give it a taste. Wow, and it tastes very milky, but it has that crunch to it. It's with like the texture inside. So that's wonderful. I love that. I love that. So I would give this group a rating 9 out of 10. I really enjoyed the different varieties of milk products that they have, and each one of them offers a unique taste. I think all of the sweetness makes me want to drink, so I'm gonna try this one over here. This one is, I think it's very special. This one, it means milk and beer as a beverage. I can't describe how it tastes, but it is milky, but at the same time it has the taste of an alcoholic drink. It has that sourness as well. I think this is one of the most unique beverages that I've ever tried. I'm gonna rate this one 10 out of 10 because I like both milk and beer, and I've never ever wondered to mix both of them, but it tastes wonderful. Next one is this one over here. And again, the packaging is really beautiful. It showcases the culture of Xinjiang and the patterns. I think it's really, really beautiful. So let's open it up. The smell is actually really strong. There's a lot of dried fruits here. I'm gonna try one of them. I'm gonna try one of them. I like that. I'm gonna rate this maybe a 7 out of 10. It's really good. So the next one is this one over here. It says here it's a fruit spread. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh. Oh. So inside are these some small packets. So let's take one and open it up. It has this some kind of leathery dried fruit texture. So let's taste it. It's a little bit hard, but it melts in your mouth. You can taste this fruity, some kind of appley flavor, and I really like it. I rate this maybe a 7 out of 10. I really enjoyed this fruity taste, and I really like apples. So is this one over here. It's a sort of tomato juice, which I'm really excited to try. I've never had tomato juice before. Wow, it has a unique scent. It smells like tomatoes, but in a juice form. That's actually really good. I like this one. I would give this one a 10 out of 10 too. I really like the flavor of this one. It has a really unique taste. And yeah, I enjoyed it so much. So for the last one is this one. These are dried fruit peels that turns into tea. So sadly, I didn't bring a water bottle or any hot water. So maybe I'm gonna try this when I go back to my dorm. And that's it for today's video, guys. I really enjoyed all of these products. If I were to pick my favorite, I think it would be this one here, the milk beer. I really think it tastes wonderful and very, very unique. All of these amazing food reflects the rich culture and history that Xinjiang has. And I hope one day we all get to experience what Xinjiang is like. And that's it. See you again soon. Bye!